Nature vocabulary with meanings. What is nature? Nature means everything around us that is not made by human. It includes trees, animals, rivers, mountains, flowers, and even the sky. Tree, a big green plant with branches and leaves. Flower, a colorful part of a plant that looks beautiful. River, a long line of water that flows across the land. Mountain, a very high land with a pointed top. Sky, the space above us where the sun, moon, and clouds are. Rain, water that falls from cloud to the ground. Thanks for watching.